Hi guys, Rahul Nigam here and welcome to my channel Engineers Power. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to as a system or machines that mimic human intelligence to perform tasks and can iteratively improve themselves based on the information they collect. Or in other words, we can say that artificial intelligence is a constellation of many different technologies working together to enable machines to sense, comprehend, act, and learn like human like levels of intelligence. Technologies like machine learning and natural language processing are all part of artificial intelligence. Each one is evolving along its path and when applied in combination with the data analytics and automation can help businesses achieve their goals, be it improving customer service or optimizing the supply chain. Artificial intelligence generally falls under two broad categories. First is narrow artificial intelligence, sometimes also referred to as a weak AI. Narrow artificial intelligence is the AI that exists in our world today. Narrow AI is the AI that is programmed to perform a single task, being able to play chess or analyzing raw data to write the journalistic reports. Narrow AI is often focused on performing a single task extremely well, but they can pull information from the specific data set also. As a result, these systems don't perform outside of the single task that they are designed to perform. Second is artificial general intelligence, AGI. Artificial general intelligence sometimes refers to as a strong AI. It is the kind of artificial intelligence we see in the movies like the robots from the Westworld or the data from the Star Trek, in which humans interact with the machines and operating systems that are conscious and driven by the emotion and the self-awareness. The next generation AGI is a machine with general intelligence and much like a human being. It can apply that intelligence to solve any problems. In other words, AGI can successfully perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This is how you can define artificial intelligence. Do like, share and comment, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel to get more valuable content like this, and don't forget to press the bell notification. Thanks for watching.